Welcome back. This is Garrick Brown Art Studios, and I am Garrick. And today we are doing a swipe, and I want to show you my pillow paint. This is Color Place Satin White. This can be purchased at Walmart. I have thinned it down with just a little bit of water. This can has been slightly thinner than my other can, so I've only added about 2 ounces of water to the mix and a good squirt of GAC 800. Today we are pouring on a 12 by 12 panel board. This was purchased at Jerry's Artarama. I like working with panel boards because you don't have to worry about the sinking in the middle. So today I am kind of just going for it. I want to do a swipe with some colors in the center, and I'm gonna spin it on our turntable to see what we get. I want to get a really big reaction, so I'm gonna put some black at the top so that the white CA and the black CA will create a dramatic contrast. So when I'm doing this kind of pour, the color that goes in first is going to be the last color to come out. So I want kind of like a rainbow effect. So we got some good contrast here. I'm very happy already with this. Hopefully we'll get a really nice swipe here. Next, I'm going to take my swipe tool. This is my swipe tool of choice today. And the goal is to put cell activator here and to do a nice fan over swipe. Today I'm using a 3-to-1 cell activator. That's 3 parts titanium white paint by Amsterdam and Australian Floetrol. Okay. Started off a little rocky, but it ended well. I don't have as many of my dark colors right now, but I think it will open up. So this was kind of a fail right here. So we'll be sure to get that off. But we got gorgeous cells. Look at all those cells and lacing. And what I'm going to do before I spin, I'm going to tilt just a little bit. Kind of get the paint moving. And we're going to tilt some of that off and move it around this way. Just want to make sure I have coverage. I should have actually covered this entire canvas with paint. So right now what I'm going to do is add a little bit of paint around the edges. We just want to make sure that we can spin and not get wonky cells. I'm going to take this down to our spinner. All right, folks, here we go. So here is the final look. Got some really big cells up top, and they get smaller as you come down, and the lacing really takes over. There's a little green peeking here and there, but the lacing is stellar. And I love the edge. Big old juicy cells with all the colors mixed and mingled up in there. Also coming really soon, we're going to be playing around with some fluid art ready to pour paints by Deco Art. So you got to be subscribed to catch this one. And that is going to wrap it up for this video. As always, family, remember to do everything with love. Please share this video with someone, like, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Until the next time, family, have a beautiful, awesome day. Peace.